When you're shifting the gears in a gearbox, what happens is that there is one gear which is meshing with the other ones. When the meshing is happening, what happens is that the top face of that gear has to be changed into a rounding or a pointing or a roofing profile. So we make those machines, as well as we have the largest variation of chamfering machines, which takes care of different kind of chamfers depending upon the profile that you have. My name is Aroop Kumar Sen. I am a project manager at TASA MICRO SPM. TASA manufactures broaching machines, gear to chamfering, rounding machines. We invite you all to visit our stall in hall number 13, stall number E38.